Good morning, mighty rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Tuesday, February 4th, 2020. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing. Place your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the wonderful choices you will make today. Please be seated. Celebrating birthdays this week, we have Cindy and Kinder, and tomorrow we have Kanan, Gary in first grade, and Thursday, Iona. Happy birthday. Rattlers, remember to be responsible. Today, own your own learning. Announcements. Make sure that you do not have your non-idea sweaters still on. Take them off, put them in your backpack, tuck in your shirts, make sure you have your belt on and the correct shoes. Make sure that your shoes are mostly black. If they're not black at all, or if they're mostly a different color, then those are not idea approved, and those are not part of our uniform. Okay, today's going to be pretty warm, so you will not need to probably bring any other jacket outside with you. However, later this week, you will, or tomorrow, I should say, tomorrow make sure you do bring some sort of jacket because the weather is going to drop quite a bit. Let's talk about attendance. So let's meet our goal of 97.5 every single day today. You guys killed it last week. I have a few shout outs, especially to Miss Kelvin's homeroom. Wow. So proud of you guys. 100 days or 100% attendance for almost 2 weeks straight. I could not be more proud. So let's keep up that streak. Remember to be on time, dress appropriately, and stay healthy. This week should be pretty mild besides tomorrow. So make sure tomorrow you wear some extra layers and maybe even the scarf that you got for the holidays from Idea and me so that you are nice and warm tomorrow. But other than that, the rest of the week should be nice. And so make sure you're on time, dressed appropriately, and you're staying healthy by eating healthy and going to bed at a reasonable time. So, as you know, I actually went to the store this weekend and got some more gifts to add to our attendance raffle this Friday. Remember, today's already Tuesday, so you just have 3 more days after today to show up, and you will get entered into the attendance raffle. Also, remember that you guys have free dress today because you were here on Friday, and we have a couple more fun dress days coming up very soon. On Friday, I will go over the calendar with you so that you are aware of those days. And just to continue the shout-outs, you guys did a great job last week with attendance and re-registration. So shout out to you and your parents, but especially to Miss Kelvin's homeroom for 13 days at 100%. So that's actually over 2 weeks. So proud of you all. Miss Rash and Miss Guerra, you guys get a pizza party on Friday because you guys hit your re-registration challenge. Kinder in first grade, you guys get free dress tomorrow, Wednesday. And Kinder, you also get ice cream on Thursday for being the first grade level to turn in all your re-registration forms. So great work, y'all. So proud of you and proud of your parents and your teachers. So all of you pat yourselves on the back. Some more exciting news is that we added to our list of Math Masters. So raise your hand if your name is on this list. And congratulations. So proud of you all. We are adding to this huge list of Math Masters, and that means that you guys are finishing a ton of lessons at Mastery. Super proud of you, and Mr. Prevy's also very proud of you. Great work. I have some other exciting announcements. So we are going to do Candygrams. This is sponsored by the Rattler Voices of Rhythm Choir Club. Put a little love in your heart and send your friends and teachers a Candygram. So they're 50 cents per Candygram. See Miss Kelvin and Miss Garza, and they are going to be on sale under the pavilion during recess only. If you're in lunch, you cannot go buy a Candygram. But if you're in during your recess time is the only time that you can do it. They will be selling them today through February 5th. Today is not just a regular day, and February is not just a regular month. February is Black History Month. It is an annual celebration of achievements by African Americans and a time for recognizing the central role of blacks in U.S. history. To celebrate, we are going to have some announcements and some fun facts, and today we will kick off our Black History Month with a poem by Paul Laurence Dunbar.
We Wear the Mask by Paul Laurence Dunbar. We wear the mask that grins and lies. It hides our cheeks and shades our eyes. This debt we pay to human guile. With torn and bleeding hearts we smile and mouth with myriad subtleties. Why should the world be overwise in counting all our tears and sighs? Nay, let them only see us while we wear the mask. We smile, but O great Christ, our cries to thee from tortured souls arise. We sing, but oh, the clay is vile beneath our feet, and long the mile. But let the world dream otherwise. We wear the mask.
I look forward to seeing our celebration continue throughout the week and throughout this month, and to see your bulletin boards and door decorations. We have some exciting announcements. So Mrs. Pope is back today from her maternity leave with little Mr. Emil. So she will be back today. We're so excited to have her back. And if you look at the baby with the big bow, that is Olivia, and that is Miss Silva's new baby girl that was born last week. So we want to congratulate her and all of you to know that she just had her little baby girl, Olivia. So future Rattlers right there. All right, everyone, let's say the Runberg Academy chant together. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. And Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a terrific Tuesday, and remember that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please continue to do an amazing job with ADA and call parents and message parents of the students that are out and let us know on the ADA GroupMe. Have an amazing day.